previous lesson, we covered how to motion track an object onto a plane. Now, let's explore how to apply the plane's texture to the object itself. First, add clip to the timeline and opening it in Fusion. Track the desired area and attach text to it, following the same process as in the last video. Next, add a brightness contrast node. Connect the output of the median node to the input of the brightness contrast node. Output of the brightness contrast node is connected to the effect mask input of the merge node, bringing the saturation down to 0. Also reduce its dynamic range. Next, navigate to the settings of the merge node. Change the channel from alpha to luminance. Finally, by adjusting the range within the brightness contrast node, can fine-tune how visible the texture appears through our object.